Hello everyone, today I will show you how to center align text in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and here you will find this edit down or click here and simply click this text option. Now click on this text box and this text box now selected. And here you will find this text tools and now click this format option. And this is center align option, so we will select here and this text now center. Also center align this text and click here. This. Also you can center align a specific text. Drag your mouse cursor and select. Now select center align option and see this. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.